Xavier.
Only one way to find out. Ready for adventure?
Never been more ready. I've been more ready. But okay.
Where are you going?
It's happening! We got that to do!
Welcome to New York City and
This is the neighborhood.
Things are getting odder and odder.
What?
Not odder, odder, as in Odd Squad on PBS Kids.
1985.
I have a case of the sillies.
You have the sillies?
Watch Odd Squad streaming now, free on PBS Kids. Meet Molly.
You mean me?
Molly of Denali. Sometimes adventure can get messy.
Hey, Mr. Cleet Darling. Now that's the stuff. Hostess.
Possible in part by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
No.
We may look differently, share a different family tree, but you know that we must be what we must be. Family, our family, your family. Come and see our family.
Wait.
In a PBS Kids world full of kid heroes, turtle doctors, and robot-y things, comes a movie event that boldly asks,
Why is his hair so awesome?
you'll laugh, cry, sing. It will leave you breathless and begging for more.
To the next adventure!
Whatever you do, don't miss Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. I am full of possibilities. Watch now on PBS Kids.
PBS Book Readers Club pick for March is The Forsyte Saga, John Galsworthy's classic novel series, and the inspiration for the highly anticipated PBS Masterpiece program. Then join celebrated television writer Debbie Horsfield, head writer of The Forsytes, for a conversation on Facebook on March 25th. PBS Books Readers Club is sponsored locally in part by Wishing Tree Books. Learn more about the Book of the Month and Wishing Tree Books at wishingtreebookstore.com or ksps.org and click on Community.
Hey, Mr. Cleet Darling. Iron.
Yes, on the web. Hard to believe, as cool as it's been, that we are going to take a jump. Temperatures today actually warmer than